So you landed on this page because you heard that Nowsite's building websites, email campaigns, and hey, if you don't like it, you don't buy it. Well, that's exactly what's going on. And I'm going to tell y'all about it. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money, Mayor, successful online entrepreneur, 6-7-figure earner, top affiliate in multiple companies, including this one. And look, I'm about to dive in again and let you know just how beautiful that Nowsite is. So, look, I know, you heard, you know, you should know by now that Nowsite has been evolving and evolving and evolving since they launched, right? Like since 2017 and now it's just been like so phenomenal. It's been a great run and I can't say enough about it because they're innovative and they know how to pivot and shift and move with the market and give the people what they want and need. So in 2021, they realized, a little 2020 into 21, but really in 2021, they really honed in on this and realized that people just don't want to work. It is what it is. You got the greatest product in the world, but people don't want to use it, then, or people don't use it, then it does you no good, right? And that's kind of where we're at, and that is where we're at. Is that the fact that, I say it again, people don't want to work. You know what I mean? So since people don't want to work, then the end result of people not wanting to work and people not working is not doing anything. You end up with a great product, but you don't do nothing with it, right? And that's what people have been doing. So with Nowsite, say, you know what? Okay, the pizza man don't really want to build a website, right? An email campaign that goes out for X amount of days or weeks or months. They don't have the time. They want to just make their pizzas. They want to make pizzas. And of course they want to market their business, but they don't want to do it themselves. Let's be honest, right? Especially if you're not a techie type of person. Now you're really not interested. You're like, man, I'm not even a techie person. Here it is. I got to build out this website. Hey, I'm not the best copywriter. Here it is. I got to try and come up with the perfect words to put together to build out this email campaign. And then it ends up being not fun. All right. It ends up being a burden. It ends up being something that you just don't use. So we changing that. Nowsite changed that. Nowsite said, okay, we're going to come up with nerds. And then they did that. And the nerds is so that you can actually hire a nerd to build out your website, for like $20, or have them build out your email campaign, Then, if that wasn't enough, they came out with Nowsite Creative Pro. Now, what's that? Well, you can have a creative professional, create you a blog post, email campaigns, a social post, whatever you need, and have a professional copywriter write that out. That way, you always have the perfect words to say. You have the perfect emails that go out. You have the perfect everything that you need to succeed. So how cool is that, right? Awesome. Super powerful. And that's exactly what Nowsite has came up with now, is they said, okay, sit back, watch as one of our friendly nerds will build you a custom website, a 3-day email campaign for just $47. And if you don't love it, they'll give you a full refund. And the way that's going to work is you'll pay, right? You come in, they're going to build out your website for you. They're going to build you out the perfect 3-day email campaign to go out to follow that up. If you see both, okay, and you say, well, I was expecting something else. It's not really for me. I don't see it working for my business. Then Nowsite says, hey, no questions asked. We're not going to try and upsell you. We're not going to try to, keep you aboard. None of that. We're not going to hold your hand, hold you hostage, throw you in the hole in the ground. None of that. Now we're going to go ahead and give you your money back. There you go. There go your 47. Even though they've already crafted out this website for you, even though they already crafted out this 3-day email campaign that's going out on your behalf, no problem. Okay, we want you to love it. Try it before you buy it. It's like when you went to the car dealer before you bought your car. You said, I want to test drive. You drove it, and something didn't sit right with you. If you didn't like it, the way it feel, or it's just something you didn't like about the car. You didn't buy it. They didn't say, hey, you already drove it. Nope, it's yours. Drive it, you own it. No. You get to try it before you buy it. Well, Nowsite took that same concept, and now you can do the same thing over here. Hey, try before you buy, and I love it. All right, so yes, you can now try Nowsite for $47. Jump in, let them build out your website, let them build out your emails, and if you don't like what you see, then scrap it. Now, what's keeping you on the fence now? What's keep you still just watching my video? Hey, I know you're watching, but you ain't buying. So at the end of the day, you need these tools for any type of marketing, building your brand, building your business, getting what you got to offer out there. This what you need. Am I wrong? I don't think so. All right. So you like what you see. You say, okay, Kawan, I've been on the fence long enough. I've been watching you for years with this company. And man, I just been watching you make all this crazy amounts of money. Almost about to hit $1 million in sales. And I'm still sitting on the sideline watching. You ain't got to watch no more. All right. All you got to do is hit that link below. There you go. Yes. Hit that link below. GetMoneyLikeABoss.com and we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453 and I answer any questions that you have. If you haven't already done so, I want you to do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I actually do these videos. You don't have to miss out, or you don't have to come back there and say, oh, I didn't know Nowsite came up with this, or I didn't know that company came out with that, and you just miss out on everything. You ain't got to do that no more. All you got to do is just tune in by hitting that subscribe. All right, guys. I appreciate you. Again, you know I'm gonna keep you updated on everything that's going on. It's always gonna be nice things. Actually, Nowsite has a new event coming in June, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be something new there that they're gonna launch as well. And I will definitely bring that news to you. Okay. All right. So see you on the next one. Appreciate you. Until then, have a blessed day.